Hi guys, this is Meryl, and that's Luke,
our homie,
and then that's William.
So,
and today we started a new YouTube channel called
the Triple Threat Pranksters. Yep. And so
today we are going to prank doorbell ditch this old man. And now this guy, he has like hurt our dog many times. So we're gonna get revenge on him. We call this guy Dirty Don. So I'm gonna video it. Luke, come on. Wait, William's gonna come.
Wait. How about we move over to here?
All right, go.
I'm gonna dive. Okay. You gotta make this smooth. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Yes. There's a runner.
Here you go.
Okay. Here it is. Here's the doorbell. Right there. See that? It's kind of broken. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna dive, okay? Okay.
You want me to?
Okay. I'm gonna like bring it 3 times.
Okay, look, you have to get down.
Oh God.
He's pretty old, so his bones might not be taking him very fast. Go, do it. We know he's here, though. Get down. We know he's here because
Oh frick! He has a gun! Oh my God! Oh.
Heads up, kids! Where are those kids? I'm gonna shoot ya! You come ringing my doorbell anymore? I'm gonna mow you down with my 12-gauge shotgun. Don't you be coming back. You'll get some buckshot in your back.
oh my gosh, stay.
Okay. Oh my God.
That guy.
Oh my God.
He's scared.
I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. Come on. Let's get out of here. Bro, come on, get out. Dude, he's gonna...
Keep running.
Luke, get over here. Okay, right over here. Let's go to our house. Okay, run. Oh.
Do you see what we have to deal with? This guy is crazy. And we live...
I am scared. Okay.
We live...
I have nightmares tonight.
Okay, so guys, if we get 100 likes on this video, we're so lucky. Then we didn't expect him to come out with a shotgun. See, this is our house right here. But if we get 100 likes, then we'll do another prank to Dirty Don.
Yep.
Now, Dirty Don is very dirty, as you can see. He's a hunter, so he has a bunch of shotguns. Okay, bye.
He's not that old, actually, but yeah.
But, you know.
Pranksters for the win. Out.